Sanmonani, and welcome back to another video where we look at some of your interesting takes when it comes to uthando nesithembu, iy'ngane zesithembu. So in this video sobe sikhuluma ke about the newly revealed unkosikazi ke ozobe bambisene noTirelo kwisithembu sabo benosibindi uAmahle Mgazi. Yes, the lady is beautiful. Bakithi siyambona umkahle intombazane, and I'm sure she is pursuing some sort of career. That is not the question. The question here is, does she really understand what she is getting herself into ngoba esebonile ipast kaSibindi? How many girls have we been introduced to manje ever since saqala nje ukwazi ukuthi uSibindi is trying to start his own polygamous marriage? And to be honest, I really didn't think ukuthi kuzoba a completely different person, even though phela we had that thought in our heads ukuthi it's a completely different person, but I did not want it to be true. I wanted it to be someone that we already know. Ukuze phela sibone ukuthi lo mfana unomqondo, but it does seem like he is just moving around with no direction or no sense of plan ukuthi yini ngempela ayifunayo. What does he want actually in a woman? And also ukuthi uhlangana kephi nalamantombazane, because we've heard his father say ukuthi uMpumelelo une-tendency yokuthola lamantombazane on Facebook, on social media nje in general. And we saw him talking to, I think, umnini ethi, please find a suitable girl for yourself. Ungayi go Facebook, ungayi go social media and look for these ladies, because it has been proven ukuthi people will get with you just because of your name, your fame, and your money. So ngempela, how does he know ukuthi lamantombazane actually want to build something with him and not just using him to further their own brands? I guess khulume ngalento ke. So I saw uMpumelelo ukuthi upostile on his Instagram and Facebook accounts a poster ke uAmahle, formally introducing her to us after so much speculation. So he captioned the post by saying, "Ay bafana bakithi seningakusho enifuna ukukusho ngasho ngathi niyoze nithi bhuti." That was an interesting caption for me, because I was thinking ukuthi when you post, especially umuntu revealing to the world essentially, or to this country, or nje to your viewers ukuthi okay, this is my person, you want that caption to be a loving caption. Yokukhombisa ukuthi you love this person. But this post is sort of telling people ukuthi like uyagabisa with this person, this beautiful lady amtholile. Essentially mina le post yakhe uMpumelelo ngibone ngathi he is trying to prove a point to his peers or his haters ukuthi niyabona ukuthi iy'ntombi ziyayiphosa like mina, and mina ayikho into engayenza. Abahambayo abasalayo bazosala beyincenga naye, futhi nanokuthi nje kohleli kukhona intombazane elindile nje ungena kulento azama ukuyenza. Noma ke ezama ukugcatsela ke those who have been doubting his manhood, doubting his plan as a polygamous young man. But ke mina umbuzo wami uthi ke, what about Tirelo's feelings? Ngoba ke sibonile ukuthi uTirelo is going through it, guys. Whether it's now or last year or whatever, clearly things that uMpumelelo does ezibhedayo bother uTirelo, and she has been vocal about it more recently, because uyabona ukuthi ukufela ngaphakathi akusizi. When uSibindi posted her, kuthiwa kwama-comments uSibindi ulaya his ex, but today njengoba eposte ke uAmahle, ulaya bani ke? That is my question. Ulaya bani ke ma eposta uAmahle? Because I do feel like it does hurt uTirelo ke in this case, because she is still in his life. And you would think ukuthi a man would be loyal to the woman who fights for him, because we saw that Tirelo has been clapping back at people, trying to justify this whole situation, trying to sugarcoat everything. But Ugai at the end chose himself. He chose to be selfish. Wathi nje akaposte this lady because he wanted to post this lady. And that's what I want the young ladies to think about when they get into relationships with these young men abakwi-age group yabo ukuthi no matter what you do, no matter how much you fight for indoda, trying to fight for the number one spot, trying to fight for my front seat, at the end of the day indoda izokwenza lento efuna ukuyenza. No matter who says what, no matter who thinks what, he's going to put himself first. Before uSibindi aposte uAmahle, I did see that she posted a series of stories making light of the situation akuyona, and one of the stories ibithi, do men forgive cheating? And a lot of people were thinking, oh, since she's going through this whole thing, no Sibindi sizofuna ukucheata aphume nje with a bang kuleyo relationship. And I also saw that she posted something about abantu besilisa mabefuna isithembu, that means ukuthi nje they just wanna cheat in peace, and she was sort of laughing and making light of the situation. And I'm just like, girl, don't do something ungakayicabangisisi kahle. If you're planning on cheating or you're thinking about it, do not cheat unless you are sure ukuthi you are ready to leave, ngoba uzomchithela umuntu uthemba ukuthi ufuna ukumtesta ukuthi ukuthanda kangakanani, are they gonna take you back? Yekela usumchithelile and then nje avele nje ayiphike nje ingane yakho azi kahle ukuthi yakhe, because now uselaya wena ukuthi uzobona ukuthi uzoyenza njani ingane yakho. So the only thing nje mina engayisho kuTirelo ukuthi if she is not ready to leave, she must just take notes from what's happening kuVuyokazi ukuthi why ishiya le ndoda, especially uma uyishiye kabi nje. Just know nje ukuthi you on your own. But if she does decide to just stay and stick it out nale ndoda, she mustn't cheat. Abe nje loyal kuyona and do whatever he says, ngoba already phela uGayo nale impression ukuthi uTirelo uyabekezela and plus usupporta a vision yakhe. So now she has put herself in a corner yokuthi akakwazi ukuphikisa anything that he does. If she does, then obviously usezoyikhipha yekena. But kesana, the biggest thing here is directed at the parents abahlezi emakhaya bebuka lamantombazane edlalwa Umpumelelo ukuthi kanti guys, I thought we had agreed ukuthi we're gonna do better as parents. We're gonna talk to these kids sibatshele ukuthi no man, aningayi nje laphaya ngoba kuyavutha kuyashisa nje laphayana. I really thought we were gonna do better at talking to our young sisters, our daughters, about the dangers of, dating young men like Umpumelelo, because thola ukuthi the girl uzoyiphatha kahle but then athandane nomuntu onjengoMpumelelo ongaziphethe kahle nozohamba nje elala exposure to sexual diseases or whatever, ngoba we remember leya scandal yakhe uMpumelelo with that lady tape, and how badly it affected Uvuyo as well as uTirelo, because at the time I think uTirelo was still pregnant. So can you imagine guys nje the psychological effects of being betrayed ngaleyo ndlela? Wazi kahle ukuthi wena uyiphethe kahle but this man akasiboni isidingo sokuthi ayiphathe kahle ukuze enze sure ukuthi azikho izifo engenayo kwi-relationship yenu, yena nje akanendaba uyicabangela yena yedwa. And also sibafundisani obhuti bethu abancane ney'ngane zethu zabafana, are we saying ukuthi it's okay ukuthi uthandane nentombazane uyibreake umntombi bayo move on to the next girl and on to the next girl, as long as unemali unembuzi yokuthi uhambe uyogeza umuzi wakulela khaya? It's not okay guys, it is not okay. But lento ayenzayo Impumelelo nje ukhombisa nje ukuthi shoot abantu besifazane badalelwe ukudlalwa njengabo, ngisho noma umuntu ngamithisa then masuridi ukushada uthola omunye oyitshitsho zomshada ngoba lo osumzalisile yena akakulungela ukuthi angaba unkosikazi uphelele. So kesana, parents need to do better, because if they don't sisazobabona nje abanye uMpumelelo, ngoba lezi ngane ezikhulayo zibukela kubona uMpumelelo, zibukela kubona uTirelo. And the unfortunate thing is shoot umuntu ukhula ayiphathe kahle only to get into a relationship nomuntu ofana noMpumelelo. So what's the point of uyiphatha kahle if kuzofana egcineni? Aren't you supposed to grow up uyiphathe kahle and marry indoda ekufanele nayo futhi eyiphethe kahle. But ke sana, I would like to hear your thoughts. Please be sure to comment down below and don't forget ke sana to like, share and most importantly subscribe. Ngizonibona kule landelayo. Bye guys.